Oh, there's already killing light bin. We are late, dude. I didn't even realize.
Bro, this is not Lotus.
This is not what I was promised.
Need to
There's an altar over here somewhere. Wait, trying to kick? Oh, they're all in this building. I got that.
Knocked him, Nick.
I hear him going here.
Reloading.
Wraith low. Dude, they're so lit in here! They're so low!
One shot. He's healing on that.
Altar swinging out.
Void running. I leveled up. Upgrades waiting for me. Inside.
Nice. The other one's on this right here. Wraith portaling at you.
Your left.
Ooh!
Talking about.
We got this.
Was that a senti shot? Oh, there's one Ashkin playing way to our left side. I'm gonna smoke down, walk up on him. I just got sentineled to the head. It's a bang on my body. I'm trying to hold knock and scoot back at it. Alright, they're both pushing hard now.
1 minute.
Bang's still out here.
45 seconds for this close.
Evo harvesters are now available. We got company, people.
Healing up.
Bang is just running around downstairs, just doing fuck off.
Less than 30 seconds. Range nearby.
Attention.
They're both on my box.
Eliminated.
Ash bang.
Only 10 seconds left.
Oh my god.
One upgrade at a time.
She's got a senti. I don't know what else she has. She's rezzing.
They out of light ammo. Picked up our teammate's banner. Whole squad down.
Dude, what's even funnier is that you would have killed him literally 4 times faster if you had more light ammo. The Spitfire being out of ammo. It's crazy work.
Let's explore this way. Cancel that. You're in their sights.
Oh, here, close. I hear Ash on us.
Placing a portal. I'm taking shots.
One on door. Nice. That Sparrow's outside. Sparrow's right in. 60 on the Sparrow.
I'm down.
I knocked Resin right here. Resin. And
Reloading.
oh! Oh my god!
Reloading.
Nick hard carried, no voice, no comms, but you know what? That man's guys got hard.